Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you my 3D printed Dodge chassis. The design is from the YouTube channel Duke Doks. I promise I will design my own, but for now, link in the description to his channel. To 3D print it on the chassis, it took about 5 days because during the process, some parts fell most of the time because the filament I used for some reason got stuck a lot, and sometimes just because I forgot to consider support material for some parts. These are all the parts for the Dodge chassis. I use green, black and white for the light. This is the final assembly. It's not perfect because, as I mentioned earlier, sometimes the filament gets stuck and that creates this layer gap. And if I was not paying attention, I could have passed more days printing all the parts. The front bumper broke when I was removing the support materials. That's why you see the gap here. The front window is good, but it has some gap. The side windows are not so great because the way I 3D printed the parts. Yeah, there's some layer gap in the back. Here are the gas tank. That's the gas cap, not the tank, is the gas cap. Yeah, a lot of bad layer gap in the back. We are looking at the back right now. As I mentioned earlier, I use white and black for the light. This is the license plate. Hellcat. I didn't use all the screws to put the parts together. I just use the necessary to just put it together because I didn't have all the screw size. I use what I have. That's why some parts are moving. This is all the aesthetics parts, like the windshield, light, senior lights, gas cap, some for the wheels, other things. Yeah, the license plate. And these are the parts that failed before I printed the chassis right, but I'm happy with the results. The filament got stuck and I was not putting attention, and that's right. I lost a lot of filament. But that's okay, that's part of the process. You try and you try until you get it right. This is the side doors that fell. I'm happy with the results. I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Goodbye.